how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a witch's hat. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners. There's a lot of different ways to draw a witch's hat. This is just one of many. So go check out the playlist on how to draw witches, and that's it. So let's go over here and start it. Curve underneath. Another line underneath here. Line up. Down. Back over here. Down right there. Go over here and draw another kind of brim on the front here. Line across. Down over here for the belt buckle area. Square. Up. In. Line, line, line. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here. And that's it. That's a simple witch's hat. It's just a hat, okay? If you want, you can throw some shadow. You can either fill it in or draw these straight lines over here for the bottom of this hat to show that there's some shadow going on. Obviously, this is like a symbolic, stylistic shadow, but you can just fill that in as well. But that's it. It's that simple, okay? Hit the subscribe button, click the bell notification. It's a very, very simple witch's hat. Thank you so much. Go check out the website at sketchingeasy.com for all the good stuff. Thank you. See you later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons, so you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.